Do you ever feel like your day is packed from start to finish, and that's just no room left for you? Let's change that right now. In this 15-minute creative break, we are painting loose watercolor cornflowers, and we will add some pen lines to make it truly your own. This is your permission to slow down, breathe, and enjoy these 15 minutes for watercolor and flow. Let's get started. For today's palette, I'm using cadmium red light for those warm, cheerful petals and mixing a bit of yellow ochre for some earthy variation. We will also use burnt sienna for the central disc florets of the cornflower, that darker textured center that gives them character. Let's begin with the small brush, and we will painting the disc florets, those tiny tubular flowers right in the center of each bloom. Just dot and shape lightly to form that little mound. We will layer in more burnt sienna later for the depth. And let's paint the ray flowers, the long petals that drew from the corn. Keep your brush strokes loose and expressive. Think movement, not perfection. With a small brush, it's time for the stems. Take a deep breath and go for it. One confident stroke for each stem. Let your wrist flow naturally. Now mix green with the yellow ochre to get a warm, natural green, and use the same brush to paint the leaves. Just press and pull. One stroke leaves are simple and satisfying. And a few different screens so each leaf has its own little personality. You can also add a flower bud below, maybe a new bloom getting ready to open. And if you want more vibrancy, go back into the petals and add a bit more thicker paint to deepen some areas. Once the first layer is dry, we will grab a fountain pen and add some fun. Lightly outline the petals, not everyone, just the ones that feel right. Then get playful, add patterns, dots, textures, whatever feels natural. These little additions make it yours. Add a few pen lines to the leaves, maybe a vein here, a curve there, nothing too detailed. Just enough to make the piece pop. Here is a fun twist. I added one cornflower using only my pen, no color. It gives the sketch a modern, relaxed feel and shows that sometimes less really is more. And that's your floral moment, just 15 minutes, and you will create something personal, peaceful, and joyful. Even in your busiest day, you made time for beauty. You don't need hours to be creative, you just need a few quiet minutes and a willingness to play. If these cornflowers get lifted to your mood, let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried combining pen and watercolor before? And which flower should we paint next? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative breaks. And I will see you in the next one.